So guys, I am tired of dyeing my hair. So, like trying to get rid of these grays. I love gray hair, but the way mine is distributed, the way mine is distributing, I am just tired of doing it, and I don't think it's healthy to be putting this so much chemicals in my hair constantly. So I bought a wig. It's really cute. I can't wait to put it on and hear your feedback about it. We shall see. Let me know. See, I even dye my eyebrows. Guys, my eyebrows, my hair is very like thin and light. So I dye my eyebrows to give it some contrast, make my face brighter. That dark coloring, just makes my face pop. I love people with dark features because their features pop. Dark eyebrows, dark eyelashes. Like an example would be like Lauryn Hill. Gorgeous. Her features just pops because that coloring contrast. So my hair is brown, but it's like my complexion and my hair coloring together just makes it everything just one color. So I like a little contrast. Yeah, so what I was saying, I bought a wig. And I'll be trying out this wig soon on one of the videos, and please give me your feedback. It's so cute. It's a short pixie cut. I couldn't find something more to my texture because I bought it in a store. I bought it in one of those small beauty supply stores, so they didn't have anything to match my texture, which would be preferable. So I just looking for something short and with a bang, because as you see, I have a big forehead, and then when my grays start coming in, at least it will cover that. So guys, I washed out the dye with this really cheap clarifying shampoo. So VO5 Kiwi Lime clarifying shampoo, and I use this because when you put like leave-in conditioner or you put gel or anything like a moisturizing cream in your hair, all of that buildup before you wash it out, you can't just use it like a regular shampoo because it might just coat the hair and leave all that product in. So always use a clarifying shampoo, but I don't wash it several times with a clarifying shampoo. I use a clarifying shampoo once because I'm going to wash my hair again. So I wash out the dye, rinse it out first, and then I wash my hair once with the clarifying shampoo. After I wash it out with a clarifying shampoo, I then use the Olaplex Bond Perfector number 2. Apply after shampooing, lightener, or rinsing color from hair. So I apply this because it's a bond repair, because when you put color in your hair, it breaks the bond so the color can bond to the hair. So this helps to rebond the hair. At least that's what I was told. I'm not a stylist or a hairdresser. So I use this and I just rub it into my hair, and you can leave it minimum 5 to 10 minutes. So I probably leave it in for half an hour. And then when I wash this out of my hair, I then wash my hair with a moisturizing shampoo. I only use this when I color. If I don't color, I don't use this because it's a protein and you don't want to put too much protein in your hair. It's dry and stiff and hard. So I just only use this, the Olaplex number 2, whenever I color my hair. So again, I washed out the dye, then I use a clarifying shampoo, then I put the Olaplex number 2 in my hair. I'm going to leave it in for half an hour, then I'm going to wash it out. When I wash it out, I'll show you what moisturizing shampoo I use. So I rinsed out the Olaplex number 2 And then I washed my hair with this. It's Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna Deep Cleansing Shampoo. It's a moisturizing shampoo. So I washed my hair with a moisturizing shampoo after I washed out the Olaplex #2. After washing my hair with a moisturizing shampoo, I then applied this deep moisturizing conditioner. The brand is Design Essentials also, same brand as the shampoo. The name of it is Rosemary and Mint, sulfate free, stimulating super moisturizing conditioner. It conditions dry or thick hair. My hair isn't thick, but it's very, very dry. So I applied a good amount of this Rosemary and Mint moisturizing conditioner. It's a deep conditioner, so I rubbed it generously all through my hair. Then I put on a clear cap, and then I put this steaming cap over it. So I'm going to steam this for half an hour. Sometimes I sit under it for like an hour if I'm doing work on my computer. I deep condition with the steaming cap for about half an hour to an hour. Then I rinse out my hair. And I'll show you what I do after rinsing out the deep conditioner. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, I was under for about an hour, and then I rinsed it out. After I rinsed out the deep conditioner, I put in some leave-in conditioner. This is the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. I put a generous amount of this and distribute it throughout my hair and detangle the hair with it. Not completely, but as you can see, it's a very good detangler, but just distribute it through your hair as much as possible. And if it isn't fully detangled, then you can sit and take your time and do what I'm doing. I only have water and this leave-in conditioner distributed throughout my hair now. And then I'm going to use the Rev-Air and do some reverse blow drying. That's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to dry and stretch the hair and then braid it into. Wear it like that until I have to style it for work. That's the length currently. Might have to do some trimming. I'm finished drying with the Rev-Air. And if I wanted it to be stretched a little more, I would do a little flat ironing, but I don't want to add more heat. So I'm just going to braid my hair in two and try that wig for when the grays start coming in. But for now, I can wear it in ponytails or style it if I want. It's better to keep your hands out of your hair. You want it to grow. But it does need a trim, but I'd have to flat iron it to get it straight to figure out where the split ends are. The same leave-in conditioner that I put in when it was wet, I'm going to put it in now that it's dry. And to not let the hair shrink up, I don't want it to be too wet, so I sort of like it smells so good, guys. And just braid the hair. when it's time to wear the wig, I'll just pin the hair like this, put on the wig cap, and then you'll see me with, I said it was a pixie cut, but it's actually a bob. So I'll put my hair like this, put the wig cap on, and my bob with the bangs will be ready to go. And I don't have to keep dyeing my hair. I'll wear my hair out. It's just like when to record and I just don't want to dye my grays. I'll put my little bob on. Anyway, I hope my hair routine helped you a bit. And if you have any suggestions for hair care that you would like to share with me and the rest of our community, I so welcome you to do that. If you'd like to see more of this type of video, let me know. I'll be super happy to share it with you. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and rest of the week. Bye.